Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of nutrition with a focus on the tiny yet mighty chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses have been consumed for centuries and are packed with an array of health benefits. So, let's uncover 25 incredible benefits of chia seeds. Benefit 1. Improved digestion. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, promoting better digestion and preventing constipation. Adding them to your diet can keep your digestive system running smoothly. Benefit 2. Weight loss aid. Due to their high fiber and protein content, chia seeds can help you feel fuller for longer, aiding in weight loss efforts by curbing appetite. Benefit 3. Heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease, keeping your heart healthy and strong. Benefit 4. Blood sugar regulation. Chia seeds have been shown to help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them a great addition to the diet for those with diabetes or insulin resistance. Benefit 5. Bone strength. These seeds are loaded with calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, essential minerals for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Benefit 6. Muscle repair and growth. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of protein, aiding in muscle repair and growth, making them a must-have for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Benefit 7. Energy boost. Packed with nutrients and low in calories, chia seeds provide a natural energy boost without the crash that comes with sugary snacks or caffeine. Benefit 8. Skin health. The antioxidants in chia seeds help fight free radicals and promote healthy skin, reducing signs of aging and keeping your complexion glowing. Benefit 9. Brain function. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their role in brain health, improving memory, focus, and cognitive function, making chia seeds a brain-boosting superfood. Benefit 10. Hydration. When soaked in water, chia seeds form a gel-like substance that can help keep you hydrated, making them perfect for athletes or anyone needing an extra hydration boost. Benefit 11. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chia seeds contain antioxidants and omega-3s that can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially easing symptoms of conditions like arthritis and asthma. Benefit 12. Improved oral health. Chia seeds are rich in calcium and phosphorus, essential minerals for maintaining strong teeth and preventing dental issues like cavities and gum disease. Benefit 13. Detoxification. The high fiber content in chia seeds supports healthy digestion and detoxification, helping rid the body of toxins and promoting overall wellness. Benefit 14. Hair health. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds nourish the scalp and hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth and preventing issues like dandruff and hair breakage. Benefit 15. Stronger nails. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can help strengthen nails and prevent brittleness, keeping them looking and feeling their best. Benefit 16. Mood enhancement. Omega-3 fatty acids have been linked to improved mood and reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety, making chia seeds a natural mood enhancer. Benefit 17. Hormone balance. Chia seeds contain lignans, plant compounds that may help balance hormones in the body, potentially easing symptoms of PMS and menopause. Benefit 18. Improved sleep. The magnesium in chia seeds plays a role in regulating neurotransmitters and promoting relaxation, potentially leading to better sleep quality. Benefit 19. Stronger immune system. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in chia seeds support a healthy immune system, helping your body fight off illness and infection. Benefit 20. Allergy relief. Chia seeds contain anti-inflammatory properties that may help alleviate symptoms of allergies and respiratory issues, providing relief during allergy season. Benefit 21. Improved athletic performance. Athletes can benefit from chia seeds' combination of carbohydrates, protein, and hydration properties, providing sustained energy and endurance during workouts. Benefit 22. Regulation of blood pressure. The potassium in chia seeds helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of hypertension and promoting cardiovascular health. Benefit 23. Anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in chia seeds may help protect against certain types of cancer, although more research is needed in this area. Benefit 24. Eye health. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which can help protect against age-related macular degeneration and promote overall eye health. Benefit 25. Versatility in cooking. Last but not least, chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, from smoothies and oatmeal to salads and baked goods, making it easy to reap their many benefits. And there you have it, 25 remarkable benefits of chia seeds. Whether you sprinkle them on your yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or use them in baking, adding chia seeds to your diet can lead to a happier, healthier you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nutrition tips and healthy recipes. Until next time, stay well and keep nourishing your body with nature's finest foods. See you soon.